Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlockPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the LG OLED 65 B7V. This is the European version meant for Europe and United Kingdom. So we start by cutting the top of the cardboard and taking it off. Then we slowly take piece by piece all of the styrofoam parts. This TV actually requires two people, really. You place it nicely on its face. This covering sheet nicely wraps apart. In a box, you can find the dismantled stand, which is a couple pieces. One is this U-shaped part that is going to be touching your furniture. Then there is another metal part that is going to be attached to the television itself. There are a few screws that you need to tightly screw in. You continue by slowly placing it at the back of the TV and again attaching a few screws, just like that. There is a white piece that covers the metal part touching the TV, and there is also a sort of metallic part where you can place the cable. But as I found out, if you do that, if you wire the cable through it, then the remaining cord is a little too short, so I didn't do that. After you have done this, basically you are set, and you can take the TV and place it in your desired position, just like this. As you will see me now with my friend looking at the screen itself, it took us a little time to figure out that there is actually a folio covering the front and the back. After you take it off, you'll have a pristine, beautiful screen. Enjoy. This has been an unboxing of the LG OLED B7V in 65 inches.